Hey you guys, I'm back with another video. As you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing the Dior Spring 2022 collection. I got some, like a couple of items here. I got their new limited edition eyeshadows that I saw that I thought looked like really cute and nice. So keep on watching. And before we get started, I'm going to please like, comment, subscribe. Subscribing is free and it'll totally help. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing this. So this is how I got it. It came in a really big box with a lot of paper wrap, and look at how beautiful their decoration, not decoration, but like how they package their thing. Really gorgeous. And looks like that. I don't want to like break everything here, but it looks really pretty. I believe they're doing this because of the Chinese New Year's, I believe. So it looks really gorgeous. So let's go ahead and get started. As well, I will put down on the description below, I got like a gift with purchase, not a gift with purchase, but like the complimentary complimentary makeup bag. That's really nice. So you spent a certain amount of money, I believe it's over 150, I believe, and you get the complimentary bag. But yeah, so let's go ahead and open this bag. I really don't want to like mess it up, but let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, so pretty. Before I open it up, it gives you this see their Chinese New Year like envelope. Really nice. It's complimentary. And look at this. Really nice. Go ahead and open this up gently because I don't want to mess anything up. Okay, so these are the two eyeshadows here, and then of course there's samples, and then this is the little bag. So let's go ahead and get started with their samples here. Comes with a really nice pouch. So you did get two complimentary samples. The things that they have only available was a perfume. This is their Suave. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but it looks like this. I will give that to my husband. This one I smelled it before and it's really nice. And then I got this sample here of the Capture Tutorial eye cream. As well, if you spend over 100, you do get a deluxe miniature of any type of product that they have in like at the checkout. So I got their Dior Prestige Lip Creme. I thought it was gonna be like a really small sample. This is a pretty nice jar, actually. Really cute. Look at that. It's like a little miniature cream. I never tried Dior's skincare before, so I'm pretty excited to try this out. And it looks like this. And of course they have their nice duffel bag. Chanel also has these little type of duffel bags. Is it duffel bags? I don't know. It's like a little pouch for their samples, but it looks really nice. So the two eyeshadow palettes, these are my first time buying these Dior eyeshadow palettes. So I got $8.39, that is Propylene, and $7.19, that's Organza. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these bad boys up. So let's go ahead and get started with the $7.19 Organza. I saw them and I fell in love with them because of how pretty they will be looking at during summer and spring. Really nice. So they look like this. Oh, look at that. Has a mirror and a little brush, a little sponges brush, and remove this out of the way. Look at that. Of course, I went to go grab another light so you can see it properly, but look at this gorgeous, they're gorgeous colors. This is the Organza one. I thought it was going to be a little bit more brighter because on their website it looks a little bit more brighter, more pinker tones. But look at that. So let's go ahead and swatch them. Swatch this. Oh, that's pretty. And then the little yellow here. Oh, that's really nice. Let's go ahead and do this one. This looks like a greenish color, like a mustard color, and it's really, really nice. Let's do this one. It's like more of a, looks like a burgundy color. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. And then lastly, I'll do the one in the middle. Oh, beautiful. Everything's beautiful when I but these are the colors right here for the 719 Organza. Gorgeous colors. Let's go ahead and do the 839, and this is Propylene. This is the one that I'm pretty much more excited because it looks really nice online. Let's see how it looks in person. Oh, yep. Look at that. Don't want to drop these. But look at that. That's perfect for like February vibes right there. That's a Valentine's Day vibes. Gorgeous, gorgeous palette. A lot of pinks in there. Let's go ahead and swatch the first one. This one right here is more like a topper. Doesn't have that much pigment. It has more of those glitter. See, it's more glittery. Let's do this one. Oh, there's a little bit of powder there. But look at that. Look at that color right there. Gorgeous. Let's do this one. That's more of a peachy tone. Yep, gorgeous. Brown. And then lastly, the middle shade. Look at that. Perfect for like Valentine's Day, springtime. Really, really gorgeous colors. So now I'm going to be doing the makeup bag. I'll give you the promo code to see if that works still. But before that, they gave me this one too for you put the New Year 22 at checkout and you get a free deluxe miniature of their Rouge Dior 999, their popular color. So I'll leave that there for you guys so you can check it out. It says US only, and you use it before the 15th of February while supplies last. So if you want to check that out as well. I think you can use only one promo code at a time. So, and then for this one, I don't know if it's still working, but the code that I used was Miss You 21. So Miss You 21. So the packaging looks like this. And it's a really, really gorgeous little pouch. Like, look at that. Gorgeous, cute little pouch. So I was pretty excited to grab this. I know there's a lot of promotions going on right now with multiple things. But it has a little flap here. And you open it up. And it's a really, really cute makeup bag. It's So again, it's Miss You 21. You get this complimentary makeup bag, a little pouch. But it's really, really nice just to put like some makeup in here, like your essentials, and just put it on your bag. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much all that I got for this Dior spring collection. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and subscribing is free. As well, like follow me on all of my Instagram. I do also post a lot of things on my Instagram as well. So I'm gonna put those down below, also with the promotions, and hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.